Hi dear students, for slow learners, especially C grade and D grade students, science కి సంబంధించి మనం ఆల్రెడీగా ఫిజికల్ సైన్స్ ఏమేం చదవాలి అనేది మనం తయారు చేసి అప్లోడ్ చేసాం. ఎందుకంటే అది సబ్జెక్టు మంది కాబట్టి. సో ఈరోజు వేరే టీచర్స్ ఇచ్చినటువంటి బయాలజికల్ సైన్స్కి సంబంధించి కొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్, అంటే ఇవి చదివితే పూర్తిగా అవుట్ ఆఫ్ వస్తాయని కదా, ఇవి జస్ట్ పాస్ మార్క్స్ కోసమే, ఫర్ స్లో లర్నర్స్. సో స్లో లర్నర్స్కు పాస్ మార్కుల కోసం మాత్రమే ఇవి. సో మనకు ఇవి చదివితే కొంతవరకు ఉపయోగపడతాయి. సో మీరు గమనించవచ్చు. ఫోటోసింథసిస్ ఈక్వేషన్, నేమ్ ద సైంటిస్ట్, 1 మార్క్ క్వశ్చన్స్ డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాం. హూ షోస్ దట్ ఆక్సిజన్ ఈజ్ రిలీజ్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ వాటర్. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఎయిమ్ ఆఫ్ హైడ్రిల్లా ప్లాంట్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్. రెస్పిరేషన్ మైటోకాండ్రియా అయితే ఫోటోసింథసిస్ డాష్. అలాగే ఆడ్రినాలిన్ అయితే హార్మోన్. అలాగే పెప్సిన్ ఏంటి. సో వాట్ ఈజ్ అన్ ఈక్వేషన్ దట్ రిప్రజెంట్స్ రెస్పిరేషన్. మీరు బాగా గమనించవచ్చు. హూ dissected the hearts of a dead person and studied the valves between each auricle and ventricle. Next, who saw tiny blood vessels that were invisible to the naked eye by using microscope. Next, John prepared apparatus used to observe the heartbeat by using a paper cup, plastic tube. To which device does this model belong? Blood pressure is measured with which instrument? Chlorophyll mg, hemoglobin dash. The normal blood pressure of a man is 120 by 180 mm of Hg. What does 120 in this value represent? Who invented stethoscope and write about the scientist? Next, the first kidney transplantation was performed by which scientist? So what is the temporary solution for kidney failure? Who discovered meiotic division? Draw logo for red ribbon. What are your dental formulae? What chemical do we use to test the presence of starch? What is the phenotypic ratio in monohybrid cross? What is genotypic ratio in monohybrid cross? Who proposed natural selection and the famous theory of evolution? Who proposed that acquired characters are passed on to the offsprings? Who introduced that ecological pyramid? Who draw the logo for recycling? Draw the logo of sustainable development. What is called global warming? What is greenhouse gases? What are the harmful effects of deforestation? What is biodegradable waste? What are non-biodegradable waste? Suggest an alternative sources for fossil fuels. Next to 2 marks questions. What is emulsification? If you have a chance to meet any doctor or physician or nutritionist, what questions will you ask about the health of alimentary canal? Next, write 2 slogans for campaign on malnutrition. What suggestions do you give to your friend suffering from constipation? What are heterotrophs? If I have a chance to meet pulmonologist, I would like to ask the following questions. What are they? What happens if diaphragm is not there in the heart? So why does a deep sea divers carry oxygen cylinders on their back? What is edema? If you have a chance to meet Cardiologist, what questions do you ask to know about the pulmonary respiration? After regarding function of lymphatic system, what precautions you would like the so suggest your elders about edema. So what happens if blood platelets are absent in the body? To keep your kidneys healthy for long period, what questions will you ask a nephrologist? So we people have very less awareness of organ donation. To motivate people, write slogans about the organ donation. Next, write 2 healthy habits to which practice to protect your kidneys from diseases. If you get a chance to meet a neurologist, what type of questions will you ask to keep your nervous system healthy? Ravi's father wants to cultivate potatoes in his field. He wants to clarify some doubts with agricultural officers. Prepare a list of doubts in the form of questions. Next, to write some slogans against female feticides. So write slogans to stop child marriages. What are the different modes of sexual reproduction? Write them with example. So what is peristaltic movement? Give an example of vestigial organ in your body. So what is a food chain? What happens if decomposers are removed from our body web? What is global warming? What are the greenhouse effects? Next to there is a water scarcity in Ravi's village. So during a summer, he wants to conduct a rally to create awareness regarding the conservation of water. Write any 4 slogans required to conduct his rally. So write 4 slogans on the conservation of natural resources. What will be consequence if the natural resources are decreased more rapidly? Write the example of renewable and non-renewable energy sources. What are the responsible factors for global warming? What are the harmful effects of global warming? How do we reduce the global warming? Is it correct to cement the roads and surroundings? How do we save or conserve water in your school or home? Next to 4 marks questions. So write the differences between autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. Write the differences between light reaction, dark reaction. Difference between photosynthesis and respiration. Differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. So coagulation, what is coagulation of blood? What is? Explain the process of coagulation of blood in brief. So what is a cardiac cycle? How does it occur? Write the differences between veins and arteries. What is means by excretion? Explain the process of formation of urine. Draw a diagram of the reflex and describe functions of different parts of the reflex arc in the table. So write the differences between sexual and asexual reproduction. So one student wants to cross the pure tall plant with a pure dwarf plant. What would be the F and F generations? Explain. So male is the responsible for the sex determination of the baby. Do you agree? If so, write your answer with a flowchart. So name the environmentalist and their movements. Slogans to create awareness in vaccination. How do we control the mosquito population? So what are the benefits of solar energy? So write some slogans about the importance of forest. Next to 8 marks questions manam chuste. What process do you follow in your laboratory to study the presence of starches in the leaves? To prove that carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis by models, half-leaf experiment. Would write what procedure do you follow in the laboratory? Next, we conduct an experiment that proves the release of oxygen when photosynthesis happens. Next question. So draw the flow chart of the human digestive system. Next, how do we prove that carbon dioxide is released during anaerobic respiration? How can we prove that carbon dioxide is evolved during a respiration? How do you show that heat is liberated during a respiration? So write the differences between respiration and combustion. Explain with the flow chart in the pathway of air in humans. Write the differences between systole and diastole. Write the differences between excretion and secretion. So write the differences between afferent and efferent nerves. So what is a number pyramid? What does it indicate? So write about the pyramid of biomass. Write about the pyramid of biomass. So ఇవి మనకు మ్యాక్సిమం మీరు జస్ట్ 20-25 మార్క్స్ కవర్ చేయడానికి ఫ్రమ్ బయాలజికల్ పార్ట్. ఆల్రెడీగా ఫిజిక్స్ పార్ట్లో అప్లోడ్ చేసాం. సో వాటి నుంచి కూడా 20 మార్క్స్ మినిమం వస్తాయి, 20-25. వీటి నుంచి కూడా 20-25 వస్తాయి. సో వీటి నుంచి యూ వోంట్ గెట్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ మార్క్స్. 50 అవుట్ ఆఫ్ అయితే 50 నాట్ పాసిబుల్, నెవర్ పాసిబుల్. జస్ట్ టు గెట్ పాస్ మార్క్స్ మాత్రమే వస్తాయి. సో వీటిని బాగా చదవండి. సో ఇవి ఇంకా ఫ్రెండ్స్కు పంపించండి, షేర్ చేయండి. సో ఇవి చదివితే మటుకు సైన్స్లో ఫిజిక్స్ అలాగే ఈ బయాలజీ పార్ట్ రెండు కలిపి ఫర్ సి గ్రేడ్ అండ్ డి గ్రేడ్ మినిమం 50 మార్క్స్ అయితే 40 నుంచి 50 అయితే గ్యారంటీగా వస్తాయి. సో దట్స్ ఆల్. దిస్ ఈస్